we are interested in finding the locus or the path of the midpoint of PD. I'm going to call that point M. The first thing that I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to find the coordinates of this point M. And to do that, I need to form the equation of the tangent at this point, finding D, and then making use of the coordinates of P and D. I will deduce the coordinates of M. Okay, so let's give that a try. At this point P, comparing the x coordinate to the x and the y coordinate to the y, I can see that the perimeter at this point P is equal to P. And from the previous part of the question, dy dx is 1 over t, which means that at this point, dy dx is going to be equal to 1 over p. And what I want to do is to also find the equation of the tangent. We want to find the equation of this line. It is going to be y minus away the y coordinate is equal to the gradient of x minus the x coordinate, which is minus 3p squared. And for this, I'll get y to be equal to 1 over px plus 3p. With d, which is the y-intercept of this line, that means the coordinates of d must be 0 and 3p. With this, it is pretty simple for us to deduce the coordinates of the midpoint of P and D, which is the x coordinates, summing them together and dividing by 2. So 3p squared plus 0 divided by 2, and 6p plus 3p divided by 2. So 9p over 2. And that means at this point, where the x coordinate is 3p squared over 2, and the y coordinate, this is equal to 9 over 2p. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat this as if it is a new pair of parametric equation in terms of a new parameter p, and I'm going to try to form the Cartesian equation out of this new pair of parametric equation. And that Cartesian equation is going to represent for us the Cartesian equation of the locus of this midpoint of PD. Okay, so for this that I have here, I'm going to make P the subject. So P is equal to 2 over 9y, and I'm going to sub this back into x. So x is going to be equal to 3 over 2 of 2 over 9y squared. So the Cartesian equation of the locus of the midpoint of PD should look like this. This is 2 over 27 of y squared.